Good morning, student. This is the seventh part of circle. Today I am going to explain how to find the equation of tangent to circle in different forms. Means a slope form of a tangent, point form of a tangent, and problems based on this. Already in the sixth part, I explained how to find the equation of tangent for a basic circle. Okay, so for the circle x square plus y square equal to r square, we got the tangent of the circle of the form y is equal to mx plus r minus r into root over m square plus 1. Here m stands for slope of that line. So this is said to be slope form of the tangent. Slope form of the tangent for basic circle. But actual procedure is how to find the slope form of tangent for a general circle. General circle means s equal to 0 circle. Okay. So for that I want to explain one important concept, that is transformation of axis, that to translation of axis. Okay, observe here. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, the origin, its coordinates are taken as 0, 0. Okay. P is a point whose coordinates are small x, small y. Okay. So you can say that this point is x units from y-axis and y units from x-axis. Just assume that the point is in first quadrant. Just I can say this x, this is y. Okay. Now, transformation of axis. There are two types. First one is translation of axis. Translation of axis means shifting origin one place to another place without changing the direction of coordinate axis. For example, this origin O is shifted to a point h, k by translation of axis. Means just without changing the direction of coordinate axis, the origin is shifted to h, k. So now this becomes new y-axis, this becomes new x-axis, new x-axis, new y-axis. Okay. Important thing is these are the coordinates of P with reference to world axis. Now we want to find what are the coordinates of P with reference to new axis. One more thing. For example, assume that this is the graph of a function y is equal to f of x, or y is equal to f of x, the locus equation of this curve with reference to world axis. If axes are translated, automatically locus equation of this curve will change. So how to find transformed equation of this curve, and how to find the coordinates, new coordinates of the point with reference to new axis. That is important thing. Observe here. Let us assume that capital X, capital Y are the new coordinates of P with reference to new axis. Means what is the meaning of this? For example, this is capital X and capital Y, means this length is capital Y, this length is capital X. Okay. Capital Y, capital with reference to new axis, no, means this point is x units from y, new y axis and y units from new x axis. Actually, this total is small y. Observe here. This is h, k. This means this is h, this is k. Means this is k now. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? This total y minus k gives capital Y. So what is the meaning of capital Y equal to small y minus k? Similarly, capital X equal to small x minus h. See, this is small x, this is capital H, capital X. So small x minus h gives capital X. So capital X equals small x minus h. So by using this relation, you can find the coordinates of P and new equation of the curve or transformed equation of the curve. Okay. So what happened here? P small x, small y becomes capital X, capital Y. So automatically y is equal to f of x, transformed equation becomes capital Y equal to f of capital X. Now I want to write the answer in terms of small x and small h. So instead of this capital Y, I can write a small y minus k equal to f of small x minus h. So this is said to be the transformed equation of y is equal f of x after translating the axis. Okay, y minus k equal f times of x minus h is the transformed equation of small y is equal f of x. Observe here what happened. Instead of small y, we wrote small y minus k. Instead of small x, what you wrote, Nana? Small x minus h. What you will get? That is called transformed equation of the old curve. See, same concept you can apply here. Observe here. Important, Nana. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. This is the circle. This is the tangent for the circle. Observe that the circular equation is x square plus y square equal r square. The tangent equation is y is equal mx plus r minus r into root over m square plus 1. Here origin is 0 comma 0. Okay. But I want to find the tangent equation of a general circle, that is s equal 0 circle. S equal 0 circle means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equal to 0 circle. Okay. So what I am doing here, just I am shifting origin O to minus g comma minus f. Just I want shift the origin 0 comma 0 to minus g comma f. So this is the circle of radius r, no? Here also I want a circle of radius r, means these two are congruent circles. Just the total system is translated. So this is the same circle, but position is different. So this is the same tangent. Okay. So now I want to find what is the transformed equation of the circle and what is the transformed equation of the tangent. Old tangent equation is y is equal to mx plus r minus r into root over m square plus 1 only. Old circular equation is x square plus y square r square only. But here what happened, center is origin is shifted to 0 comma 0 to minus g comma f. Total system is shifted. Okay. Now x square plus y square r square becomes just I told, instead of y you need to write y minus k. So instead of x you write x minus h. So x minus h means minus g here, whole square, plus y minus k means here minus f, whole square equal to r square. So what happened on this, x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square equal to r square. This is the transformed equation of the circle. Simplify this. We will get x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c equal 0 form, where r is taken as root over g square plus f square minus c. Split it. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus g square plus f square, okay, minus r square equal to 0. So what happened on here, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi. So instead of this, r square means what you can write, g square plus f square minus, if the minus is there, so cancel, we will get plus c equal to 0. So what happened, the transformed equation of x square plus y square equal to r square becomes s equal to 0. Now I want to find what the transformed equation of the tangent. Actual equation of the tangent is y equal to mx plus r minus r into root over m square plus 1 only, but I want transformed equation. Transformed equation of tangent is, so instead of y, what should I write, y minus k means here minus f, equal to m into x minus of minus g plus r minus r into root over m square plus 1. So what is this, y plus f equal to m times of x plus g plus r minus r into root over m square plus 1. So this is the tangent equation of s equal 0 circle, which is said to be slope form. So this is the tangent equation of this circle. This is the tangent equation of this circle. Okay. Okay students, I am finalizing. Y is equal mx plus r minus r into root over m square plus 1 is the tangent equation of basic circle whose center 0 comma 0 radius is r. Okay. So y plus f equal to m times of x plus g plus or minus r into root over m square plus 1 is the equation of the tangent for the general circle, that is s equal to 0, means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. For this circle, this is the tangent equation which is said to be in slope form. This is the tangent equation of this circle which is said to be the slope form. Example problem: find the equation of tangent or tangents to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0 with which are parallel to x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, observe. Circle is given and a line is given. X plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Now we want to find the equation of tangent to this circle which are parallel to this. Why I am saying which are means there exist two tangents. This is one tangent and this another tangent. There exist two tangents. These three are parallel to one another. Okay. So these two are parallel means required tangent slope is equal to slope of the given line. Okay. So first of all I want to write circular equation. It is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. I want center, that is 2 comma minus 3, and radius root over 4 plus 9 minus, that is plus 12, 5. Okay, now I want to find equation of the tangent. So already we have the formula, no? Equation of tangent. So y plus f equal to m times of x plus g plus r minus r into root over m square plus 1. Students, very important note. Don't confuse with this f value and g value. These are not f and g's. This is minus f and this is minus g and this is minus f. This is not g, minus g. This is not f, minus f. Okay. So what are the actual f and g values? Here we will get actual f and g values. Actual g is minus 2. Actual f is 3. Don't confuse. Actual g is minus 2. Actual g is 3. Center is minus g comma minus. That's why you have got 2 comma minus 3. So y, f means plus 3 equal to m means minus 1 by 2. X plus g means what? Minus 2 plus r minus r means you got 5. Root or m means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 square. Slope, actually you need to mention. Okay, equation of tangent with the slope equal to minus 1 by 2. Because slope of this line is minus 1 by 2 only, no? This slope is equal to, while converting y equal to mx plus c form, we'll get minus 1 by 2. M is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now I want to simplify this. 2y plus 6 equal to minus x plus 2 plus or minus 10 into root over 5 by 2. I think correct only. So 5, okay. And I cancel with the 2, 5. Finally what I got now? 2y plus 6 plus x minus 2 equal to plus or minus 5 root 5. Finally x plus 2y plus 4 minus r plus 5 root 5 equal to 0 are the required equation of the tangents. So one of them is x plus 2y plus 4 minus 5 root 5 equal to 0. Another one is x plus 2y plus 4 plus 5 root 5 equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, the required equation of tangents are x plus 2y plus 4 minus r plus 5 root 5 equal to 0. Yeah, students, sometime they'll ask question like this. Find the equation of tangent, also find the point of tangency. Point of tangency means this point should find. This point should find. 2 points should find. Now I will explain how to find point of tangency. Actually, you have several formulae in several books to find the point of tangency. But I want to advise you people that don't memorize so many formulae in your mind. With using basic formulae, you want to solve the problems. Not only this chapter. In any mathematical topic, no need to memorize so many formulae. With the basic concepts and basics formulae, we need to solve the problem. That is important for IIT point of view. Okay, don't by heart. So here also we have several formulae to find the point of tangency, but I don't want to use the formulae. By using some basic formulae, we need to find the point of tangency. Okay students, just now we got tangent equations. This is the circle, this is the one of the tangent, this is another one. Okay, so this can be written as x plus 2y plus 4 minus 5 root 5 equal to 0. Another one is taken as x plus 2y plus 4 plus 5 root 5 equal to 0. Now I want to find point of tangency. Point of tangency is nothing but foot of the center only. Already center coordinates are 2 comma minus 3. By using coordinates of center and this line equation, you can find foot, coordinates of foot. We have one basic formula. This is x1, y1. Say P. From P, perpendicular dropped on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Let m be the foot. Let its coordinates are h comma k. We have formula h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus times of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Don't confuse. Some members will memorize like root or a square plus b square. Not correct. Only a square plus b square. By using this formula, you can find the coordinates of foot. Here also, let foot coordinates are h comma k. First of all, I will find one foot. That another one you can find. That is not a big problem. By using midpoint formula also come directly. No, this becomes the midpoint of that becomes the diameter. No, that one. In a circle, if two tangents are drawn through, x means the diameter, they are parallel only. That's why if these two are parallel means actually this is the this point and this are collinear and that become the diameter. That's why after finding h comma k using center directly you can find this midpoint. No, this is the midpoint of these two. Okay, so h minus 2 by 1 equal to k plus 3 by 2 equal to minus times of substitution 4 minus 6 plus 4 minus 5 root 5 by a square means 1, b square means 2 square 4. Okay, h minus 2 by 1 equal to k plus 3 by 2 equal to, here what happened, 8, 2 minus 5 root 5 by 5. Okay. H I want, h equal to 2 minus 5 root 5 by 5 plus 2 and k plus 3 equal to 2 minus 5 root 5 by 5 into 2 or directly, okay, into 2 or directly means minus 3. Okay, so what happened here, h is equal to 2 minus 5 root 5 plus 10 by 5. Here k equal to, that is 4 minus 10 root 5 minus 15 by 5. So final h comma k. This is 12 minus 5 root 5 by 5 comma, here minus 11 I think, minus 10 root 5 by 5. So this is the one of the point of tangency. By using midpoint formula, we can find another point of tangency. That is not big problem. Okay, students, another example problem. If 4x minus 3y plus 7 equals 0 is tangent to the circle. Okay. we want find foot. Center should find, that is 3 comma minus 2 center. So this h comma k. H comma k should find. So what is given? Equation of the tangent is given as 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Just now explain the formula. Foot h minus 3 by 4 equal to k plus 2 by minus 3 minus times of 12 plus 6 plus 7 by a square 16 plus b square 9. Okay, this is 6 plus 12 13 25 by 25 1. Okay, h minus 3 by 4 equal to k plus minus 3 equal to minus 1. Cancel. So h minus 3 equal to minus 4, k plus 2 equal to 3, h is equal to minus 1, k equal to 1. Therefore point of tangents is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Okay students, actually this concept is not required. How to find point of tangency, just I explained in previous problem. Just I want to explain the concept, that's all. No need to memorize all these formulae. Okay, how to find point of tangency? Two situations, one is basic circle and general circle. First of all, I will take basic circle. For x square plus y square equal to r square, the tangent equation is this. Okay, this is circle. C 0 comma 0. This is tangent equation. Yeah, I want to write in standard form, means ax plus by plus c equal 0 form, mx minus y plus r minus r into root over m square plus 1. Okay, so this is h comma k. Now I want to find h comma k. Just now explain formula. Foot h minus 0 by coefficient m equal to k minus 0 by minus 1 equal to minus times of 0 0 plus r minus r into root over m square plus 1 by a square means m square plus 1. Okay, so directly I can say here h equal to, yeah, minus into plus r minus minus r plus mr into root over m square plus 1 by m square plus 1. So k I want, k equal to this minus plus s plus r minus r into root over m square plus 1 by m square plus 1. Just like root x by x means one root x cancel. So finally I will write h comma k is equal to minus r plus, yeah, mr by root over m square plus 1, cancel once, comma, plus r minus r by root over m square plus 1. So in this way sometimes you can remember, but I won't suggest you people to remember this formula. Okay, so this is the point of tangency. So take here plus, you want to take minus first, here you take plus, next plus means minus. So gives the 2 point of tangencies. One more tangent exists here. Okay students, next one is point form of a tangent. In previous one is slope form of a tangent for basic circle and for general circle. Similarly, point form of a tangent. How to find out? Observe here. For example, this is the circle. Its equation is given as s equal to 0. A point on the line is given, say p x1 y1. Now we want find the equation of the tangent that can be drawn through that point. We know that you can draw unique tangent through p. How to find equation of the tangent? That is belongs to point form of the tangent. Okay. One more thing. A circle is given. A point is given which is not on the circle, outside the circle. So through this point, you know, you can draw 2 tangents. Already proved. Again I will prove. let after completion of this. Okay, through this point you can draw two tangents. Only two tangents you can draw for the circle. How to find equation of those two tangents? This type of concept already completed for us in application of derivatives. So to find the equation of the tangent by using circle concept, you need to use the concept of finding equation of a chord. Okay, so I don't suggest you remember so many formulae. That's why by using the differentiation concept only, I will find the equation of the tangent. Okay, see here. Now we want to find equation of the tangent which is said to be point form. The equation of tangent to s equal 0 which is drawn through x1 comma y1 px1 comma y1 where P is on the circle is S1 equal to 0. S1 equal to 0. S1 already given standard notations xx1 plus y1 plus g times of x plus x1 plus y times of f times of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. That is the equation of the tangent for this circle. Okay. So a circle is given, a point on the circle is given. Through this point you want to find the equation of the tangent. The equation of tangent should be S1 equal to 0. S1 means what, Nana? xx1 plus y1 plus g times of x plus x1 plus f times of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. That should prove now. Okay student, this is S equal 0 circle, this is a tangent, this is the point of tangency. Now we want to find the equation of the straight line. A point on the straight line is given. We want to find the equation of this straight line. What you require? We want its slope. By using point slope form, we can find the equation of this line. How to find slope of this line? Differentiation concept, application differentiation concept. Slope of this tangent, slope of this line is nothing but slope of this curve at this particular point. First derivative of the, okay. First of all, I want to find slope. What is S nana here? S stand for x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. From this equation, I want to find first derivative dy by dx. dy by dx at p gives the slope of the line at p only. That's why this is 2x plus 2y into y dash plus 2g plus 2f into y dash plus 0 equal to 0. So I want to make y dash a subject here. I think first of all you can divide through by 2. So y plus f of y dash equal to minus x of minus x plus g, I think. Observe here. Okay. So now y dash is nothing minus x plus g by y plus f. So what do you want, Nana? Y dash at point at p means x1 y1. That is nothing but minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f. So we have slope and point. You can find the equation of the tangent. I will write equation of the tangent. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1. Y minus y1 means that one and y1 only. M means this one minus x1 plus g by y1 plus f times of x minus x1. Now we want simplify. Here only difficult. Simplification only became difficult. Or you want to show that the equation of the tangent is s equal to 0. So some modifications required here. So here y minus y1 times of y1 plus f, okay, plus x1 plus g times of x minus x1 equal to 0. Now I am simplifying y1, plus yf minus y1 square minus y1f plus xx1 minus x1 square plus gx minus gx1 equal to 0. So I want to write in standard form. See here, xx1 plus yy1, these two terms completed, plus gx, plus fy. So remaining terms I want a right hand side. Observe what happened. x1 square plus y1 square, this completed, this and this completed, plus gx1 plus fy1. That's all. Actually, what should get done here? xx1 plus y1 plus g times of x plus x1 you want. Mean gx1 you want here. gx1 you want. fy1 you want. That's why I want to add gx1 and fy1 plus c another side. Okay, adding gx1 plus fy1 plus c on both sides. Okay, xx1 plus yy1 plus gx plus fy plus gx1 plus fy1 plus c is equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus gx1 plus fy1 plus another gx1 plus another f1 y1 plus c. Okay, now I want to write in standard form, Nana. xx1 plus yy1 gx1. I can take g common. G times of x plus x1 plus f times of y plus y1 plus c equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Important note, this is equal to 0 only. How can you say? x1, y1 is a point on the circle only, no? Since, so I can write like this. x1 comma y1 is on s equal to 0. S equal to 0 means what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. No? This point will satisfy. That is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0 only. Okay, so this is result number 1. Now result number 1 becomes LHS as it is xx1 plus yy1 plus g times of x plus x1 plus f times of y plus y1 plus c equal to RHS is 0, x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c means 0 only, no? Because x1 y1 is a point on the circle. So that's why xx1 plus yy1 plus g times of x plus x1 plus f times of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Okay. So what is this, Nana? S1 in standard notation. Therefore, S1 equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. Therefore, S1 equal to 0 is equation of the tangent. So should remember like that. S1 stand for Sx1 plus Yy1 plus g times of x plus x1 plus f times of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. That is the equation of the tangent. So now I am concluding. A circle is given, its equation is given in general form. A point on the circle is given, say x1, y1. Through that point you can draw unique tangent. We want to find its equation. The equation is nothing but S1 equal to 0. Okay students, an example problem. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle at 3, minus 1 and also find the point of tangents. Important. A circle is given, a point is given. First of all, you want to identify where is that point. It may be outside the circle, it may be on the circle, it may be inside the circle. If the point is outside, we can draw two tangent equations. We can draw two tangents. We want to find the equation of those two tangents. How to find? For example, this is 2, 3. This is given as x square plus y square plus 7x equals 0, like that. We want to find equation of the tangents that can be drawn through 2, 3. I already explained concept in application of derivatives. That one of the point is alpha comma beta. Through these 2 points you can draw a tangent. So it is better to find coordinates of the point of tangency, or it is enough to find alpha and beta values. Okay. By using these 2 points, you can find the slope of this line by using slope form y minus y1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Means you get one relation between alpha and beta. Okay. Next, by using differentiation concept, you can find the slope of the line at that particular point. There you get another relation between alpha and beta. Solve those 2 equations, you get the coordinates of, you get the values of alpha and beta. Means you get 2 pairs alpha and beta. So 2, 3 with that one pair. By using 2 point form, you can find the equation of the tangent. Similarly, you can find the equation of another tangent. Okay. If the point is outside the circle. Okay. If point is on the circle, this concept S1 equal to 0. S1 equal to 0 is the equation of this tangent. You don't like the formula, just you use the concept. No? Just say find the slope of this curve, the particular 2, 3. You will get m. Point is there, slope is there. You can find the equation. Okay, we want to use formula S1 equal to 0, use the equation of this tangent. Okay, if point is inside, we can't draw any tangent to the circle. Means that first of all, we want to identify where is that point. Means by using power of point, we can find out. Okay, that is S11. For this problem, just I want to find S11. Now I want to find where is the point first of all. S11 means just substitution only, no, that one. F9 plus 1 minus 6 minus 4, 0. S11 0. Means the point is on the circle. Okay, so this circle is given. Point is on the circle is given as 3, minus 1. Through this point you can draw a tangent. Now we want to find its equation. That is nothing but S1 equal to 0. Okay, this is S equal to 0. What is S nana here? S stand for x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0. Very, very, very important note. How to write S1 from S? Very important. Observe here. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This is S. S1. What is that? Xx1 plus yy1 plus g times of x plus x1 plus f times of y plus y1 plus c only. If S is given, how to write S1? That is very important. Okay, x square means you write xx1. Y square means y by 1. See here, 2gx, 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 gx, gx, just like g times of 2x. Just like 2 times g times of 2x, x means x plus x. 2fy, f times of 2y, 2y means y plus y, just like. See here, I will show you. X square plus y square minus 2x, plus 4y is given. This is S here. How to write S1 from this? That is very important. Observe all of you. X square means I will write xx1. Y square means I will write y1. Minus of x plus x1 I will write. Instead of minus 2x, minus of x plus x1. Instead of 4y, I will write 2 times of 2y, y plus y1. So this is the S1 for this S. That's why S1, how to write S1, that is important. S is given, how to write S1, very important. So here S is this, S1 is this. Okay. So, so directly I want to find the equation of the tangent. Here what is the point, Nana? Point is x1, y1, that is nothing but 3, minus 1. Just S1 equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent, is the tangent equation. Okay, so we want to write S1. Just now I explained how to write S1. By using this equation, we want to write S1. See, x1 plus y1 minus times of x plus x1, okay, plus 2 times of y plus y1, c not there, equal to 0. This is S1. Now instead of x1, you want to write 3. Instead of y1, you want to write minus 1. What we will get? That is the equation of the tangent. So x into, instead of x1, I want to write 3, plus y into, instead of y1, I want to write minus 1, minus x as it is. X1 means here what, Nana? Plus 3. Yeah, plus 2 into y. F1 means minus 1 equal to 0. Now I want to simplify this. Okay, so somewhere, okay, 3x minus y minus x minus 3 plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. Yeah, I want right here plus 3x minus x 2x minus y, this plus y minus 3 minus minus y equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Understood? S is given. How to write S? S1. That is important, Anna. So now what do you want? Something find also point of tangency. What is the use of finding point of tangency? That through that point only tangent is drawn now.